So we have this exponential equation here to solve, and we have to solve for x in this equation. So solving for x in this equation here, we are going to apply laws of indices. This is a division sign. So we are going to apply the law of division, which states that if p raised to the power of 2 is dividing p raised to the power of 3, this is the same thing as p 2 minus 3. When the base are the same and you are dividing, just go ahead and subtract the powers. So we are going to apply the same law here. 2 raised to the power of 5x minus 2 raised to the power of x. This is the same thing as, we can as well write this equation as 2 5x all over 2 to the power of x is equal to the fifth root of 2 raised to the power of 10. Then here we are going to apply this law I explained. Since the base are the same, the power should subtract. So we carry the common base, which is what? 2, and 5x minus x is equal to, and here too we are going to apply the law of fraction, which states that if a number raised to a power, like if y raised to the power, if y raised to the power of fraction, this will be the same thing as, use this as root. So this will become fifth root of what? Of y. So fifth root of y means 1 all over 5. So assuming p raised to the power of 1 all over 3, this will be the same thing as a cube root of p. So cube root of p means this, and if x raised to the power of 1 all over 6, this will become the sixth root of what? X. So 1 all over 6 means sixth root of x. So with that, we'll be able to, that's the law we apply, the law of fraction. So this is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 10 and raised to the power of 1 all over 5. Then here we have it that 5x minus x will give us 4x, and this is the same thing as equal to, and here too we still use the product power law, which states that if a number p like p raised to the power of 2 and c raised to the power of 4, this is the same thing as p raised to the power of 2 times 4. When a number raised to a power, c raised to another power, let the power multiply itself. So with this, we should be able to apply the same law here. 2 raised to the power of 10, c raised to the power of 1 all over 5. So the power is going to multiply. So you will now have 2 raised to the power of 10 times 1 all over 5. And here we have 2 raised to the power of 4x is equal to 10 times 1 all over 5 means 10 times 1 all over 5. That is, in mathematics, any number that is not having denominator is 1. So denominator times denominator and numerator times numerator. 10 times 1 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. So 10 divided by 5 will give you what? 2. So which means 10 times 1 all over 5 means you are taking half of it. So that will give you what? So you are taking a fifth of 10. That will give you what? Will give you 2. So that is 2 raised to the power of what? 2. Then since the base are the same, equate is another law of indices. When the base are the same, equate the powers. So the base here is 2 and the base here is 2. So the power now will be equated. So we now have x is equal to 4x is equal to 2 because the base are the same. So we are looking for x, divide both sides by 4. So 4 will strike 4. X will be equal to 2 divided by 4. You use the LCM. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 2. So that is 1 all over 2. So therefore x is equal to 1 all over 2 as your answer. So guys, please, if you understand this what I explained, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel as we grow together. Thank you.